Hi everybody, and welcome to Survival Dads. So today I want to bring you this. This is the BCB Travel Survival Pack. Now this is designed to help protect you against bacteria and viruses when you're out and about travelling. Now it's packed with really useful information and has been specifically designed to help deal with the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic, which is currently sweeping the world as I record this video. So I picked this one up from Springfield's. I'll put a link in the description below, and at the time of purchase it cost me £9.99, which to be honest is worth its weight in gold once you know what's inside. So it is a standard, kind of like a large Altoids tin, I suppose you'd call it. It does fit in the hand and will fit in the pocket absolutely no problem. It comes sealed up. I have actually broken the seal to get in, to have a look at it before I film this video, but it does come sealed up, so it is effectively waterproof as well, which is a cool little addition. So what I'll do is I'll get straight into it and open it up and show you what's inside. Okay, so opening the tin. Straight up we have this, which is a COVID-19 information sheet, packed full of really useful information, symptoms, what should I do if I think I have symptoms, especially what it is and how you can protect yourself. So that's a cool little information booklet there. You have a face mask. You have a pair of gloves. You have some alcohol hand sanitizer, and I do believe this is 70% alcohol. Yep, it is. So, to be honest, this right now is worth its weight in gold just on its own. So this already justifies the cost of the kit. It's very useful. You have a forehead thermometer strip, so you can check to see if you have a fever. You have two towel tablets. Basically you put these in water and they create like a flannel, really small, really compact, and useful for cleaning yourself and perhaps cleaning surfaces. You have 3 alcohol-free cleansing wipes. You have water purification tablets, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 10 water purification tablets. Each tablet is good enough for 1 litre, so that's going to keep you nice and hydrated if you're stuck somewhere. And lastly, we have a bottle opener, so you're able to get into those supplies of tinned food which you've hopefully stored. Okay, so there we have the contents of the BCB Travel Survival Pack. Now, to me, what really stands out is the alcohol hand sanitizer. That's probably the most effective thing you can do to help keep yourself safe. The face mask is a really useful addition, as well as the gloves. Again, any PPE you can use to limit your contact with other people with airborne or surface particulates is obviously going to do a really good job. Perhaps sheltering in place, the can opener and the water purification tablets, again, really cool little addition. And also the flannel tablets, I think is again a really cool addition. So obviously the most important thing with this pandemic right now is to basically stay at home, but for some people, myself included, we still have to go to work, and perhaps you need to travel to see your loved ones if they are perhaps vulnerable or something like that. That's where I think this kit really comes in handy, and yeah, something like this can really make a difference in this situation. So hopefully you're all staying safe. I'll put the link to this in the description below. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.